Hello, I'm Warrant Officer First Class Compliant, and today I'll be showing you how to polish your boots. Things you're going to need are your shoe polish, some water, an old toothbrush that you're not using, your polishing cloth, and obviously your boots. Now, the first thing we do is we take our polishing cloth or any other material to dust off the boot so we don't polish over it. Then, we grab the polishing cloth again and form a nice surface area to polish it. Now, how you do this is you take your polishing cloth and you go and pick a spot where you want to polish. You take your index finger and you just press against that part, then form it on your finger, twist it around, go around your hand, tuck it in, and just like that, you got yourself a nice surface area for the polish to set on and to polish on. Now obviously there's many other ways of forming it, but your main idea is to have this nice surface area to polish on. Now depending on where your boot shine is, the amount of polish you're going to use may differ. In this case, normal amount of polish will do. You want to grab a little bit of shoe polish just like this, just like that. Then you want to tap on the water, just like that, to help lubricate and reduce friction when polishing. Next, we want to pick a specific spot to polish on. In this case, it's going to be the front top part right here. Next, we apply the polish on the boot and we start making small circles at a reasonable speed. Make sure to spread the polish around the area you're focusing on and continue to make small circles. Now, things to keep in mind is when it gets rough when you're polishing, that means there's not enough water. So just go tap on some more water and continue to polish. Now, other things to keep in mind is when a polish starts to set in, if you want, you can get some more polish and water and continue to polish. Now, I feel satisfied with the shine, so I'm going to now polish the rest of the boot. Now, after a while of polishing on the same spot, make sure to switch around to a fresh new side. And then continue to polish. And just like that, you have one polished boot ready to go. Now, polishing boots takes time and effort. When you're starting new, it's going to take time before your boots start shining. This boot was already shining and all it needed was some touch up and it was good to go. That said, the polishing technique used here works for any type of boot with any type of shine or no shine. Now, if you're starting new and has no polish on it or is nowhere near close to being shiny, using the technique here will take you a lot longer to get it shiny. So instead, I'll show you how to shine boot with no polish. Here, I got a boot with relatively no polish on it and no shine whatsoever, as you can see. Second thing, you form a nice surface area to polish on. But instead of using one finger, you're going to use two fingers to have a greater surface area. Then you're going to get your shoe polish and grab a lot of polish, just like that. Then get a lot of water, pick a spot on the boot you're going to polish. In this case, it's just the front right here. Apply the polish on the boot and start polishing. What you're doing here, by applying a lot of polish, is building layers of polish. Once enough layers of polish are built, it will start to shine. So be patient and continue to polish on. Now, as you can see, after 20 minutes of polishing, you can see that the shine is slowly starting to come back. So continue to polish on until the shine is all the way there. After you finish polishing, you want to grab your toothbrush, make sure there's no dust on it. Then, grab a little bit of polish. Afterwards, you're going to black out the sole edges of the boot all around, just like this. And just like that, your boot is ready to go. I'm Warrant Officer First Class Compliant. This was how to polish your boots. Thank you for tuning in and goodbye.